I'm Kalpan Ganeria from Team Baroda. I am along with my teammates Kalp Patel, that's Patel, and Reactor. We make this vendor bit. Basically, what happened? Uh, you can see many organizations struggle with fragmented processes involving spreadsheets, email, manual uploads, and disconnect vendor communications. Okay, so to address this challenge, we build a vendor bridge. Basically, a procurement and vendor management ERP that centralize the entire life cycles. Okay, from vendor onboarding to the RFQ to the creation of quotations, comparisons, and after that manager workflow, audits, all things which is in life cycles. A vendor bridge provide a simple platform to manage this all operations efficiently and transparency. Let me show how this works. Firstly, you can see is this repo. Basically, in backend side, we use a Nest.js. Basically, we want to a scalable system because in ERPs and so many things we need to more scale. And after some of our level, we can't see all of code like that. So Nest.js is a so good thing when you make a so large code bases on backend sites and to give a clear view. So we use Nest.js. In database sites, we use a Postgres with Prisma. Okay, so that's give me Prisma basically ORM2 again. And on the front end side, we use the Next.js with the built-in top-on React. So like, and this is our workflow. You can see like email thread loss quotation to like that vendor bridge after automated POs, and automated invoices. You can send it invoices to the mail, download it, and our feature mainly are this. You can see like that. I not currently ready, but I can show this all feature. This is basically our wall readme. You can read it in our area. Now I show the actual things which is needed. And like this, okay, admin have a no sign up role. Okay, in a sign up, you can't sign up as an admin. You only sign up as a this manager or PO and as a vendor. Okay, and that's also you can't directly go to the dashboard. Firstly, when you sign up on from this, you need to assign a role by a admin, and admin can manage all you. Okay, so now you can see I okay. We currently, you can see we log in as a PO role. Here you can see the role. Okay, now this is a simple dashboard which is needed like show the vendors, open RFQs, open POS, pending invoices, overdue invoices mean not paid, and like that. Okay, so like that, active cycles on like that, money on. You can see also as a graph recent invoices and recent purchase. Now we can see the vendors. Basically, if you want a new vendor, you can just click it out on this button and all new vendor details are here. You can on when you add a vendor, there's basically a pending verification mode. You need to verify them and go to, when the verify is done, you can simply click on the view and this button is verify and activate. You can done like that. Okay. After that, you can also manage your vendors. Like you can see, you basically on first pending. After that, active. Okay. By default, when verification is done, it's going active. After that, inactive mode, you can inactive anyone and you can also block it. Like if I go to the active one and view this, I can just deactivate it and block also. Okay, so that's basically how, because some of our issue happens and like that. So this is RFQS. Basically you can create a new RFQS by this, but then you can see I put it down currently just for an example, so many things. Next. After that, you can add a multiple item because we don't only want to purchase one item. Okay, we need a multiple item. So you add so many items in that. And put it down currently. Means like, and in this only number will work. Okay, and next, and this is a vendor choosing. Currently, we can see only 7 vendors are active, so you can only see 7 vendors. Okay, and which vendor you give? Like I want to first 3 vendors, which is in this. So only these 3 vendors are look this RFQ on their dashboard and give quotation for this. Okay, not all by default. You can just click to save to the draft or save or publish. We currently can't do because we do something. Okay, this is a draft. Basically, you can see click by them, and by clicking this you can publish, and also you can see a published one. You can see in a published one there is some submitted quotations. Okay, you can, okay, now this is a main part of thing. If you want to comparison, There have a two quotation. Okay, many times in a many major companies we have seen have a 200 quotation. When you just click to the compare, all quotations side by side comparison like this, and you can shortlist it also this, like I want to this comparison as shortlisted. So this one is a shortlisted. I can click and this one, and this one is rejected. Okay, I can you see the purchase order of this, like which is in quotation shortlisted. You can see is in here and like that. Okay, you can also do the market. This is a currently sent. Okay, firstly you can see the send button on this, and after that when sent, but I can also download here you can see like I can download it, and you can see as well my purchase order are download easily on that time things. And also if I mark delivered, set is a delivered on mark, and I can download it and send to the my admin manager or whatever and see. Okay, currently no in sent, so generated no one, and only delivered of things. Okay, so now we go to the invoices. You can see the one is a word invoice, so we just copy this on. You can see this much of amount is pay, so we can just go in the pay and type that amount, and some reference or some ref. Okay, and it's a cash, so we can put it cash and confirm payment, and this show the paid. And you can also download invoices, and you can see a complete invoices of that is done. Okay, so like that. After that, reports, all reports are, you can see here, all data is real on backend side. Not even single things are in this websites are on front end. Okay, all things connected with backend, authorized and perfect later. Activity you can see here. So activity, and also an export as a CSV as well. Notifications you can see like this. Okay, so every notification are complete. After that we can see as a vendor one time. Okay, we have a two vendors currently. I give this public roles because now the project. So okay, I put down password here. Okay, so this basically a quotation which is submitted or not. Okay, you can submit this to one, and if you go to this shortlisted one, you can see not no one is shortlisted. You can say submitted one. You can see here two submitted one 80,000 in RFQs. You can also publish. You can see just go like this, and here I have one submit button. You not submit because you already submit one quotations. Okay, so that after one submission vendor have no access to give a second quotation on that time. You also see invoices if your payment somewhere have paid, so you can see invoices and also download it and mail to. If you want to collect as an online or soft copy, you can also collect as a mail. You can see like a button, and activity and notification as well same. And this also dashboard for an vendors to like open RFQs for them, my quotations and my purchase, simple dashboard, because vendors are no more active. So we give a simple dashboard to understand it. Okay. After that, we can see is a manager. Okay, so there's a manager role. Okay, so completely, and you can directly go to the approvals. You can see here are three things, three quotation approved, rejected, and all you can see. And there was some when you reject one, you add to the remark why you reject these quotations. So why? Okay, so there's basically things, and this is a dashboard simple as POC as this one, see, but some things are different because both have a different connections and like that. Also, activity reports, quotations, all quotations are also seen by a manager. But like that, okay, we can give one CTO. So now we go to the admin. Basically, admin role have all access of this portal, okay, because admin is a whole company. So like that, now you can see also dashboard as well. So in vendors, open RFQs on open POS, pending invoices, override invoices, and all things. Okay, like that. Open to dead spend and things which we show there. Also graphs and recent invoices. This is basically a simple dashboard. Also, you can handle vendors as well as PO. You can also handle admin have all access. I can again say view and like the simple all things done by the block also deactivate also RFQs also admin create RFQs, see all RFQs, also quotations, handle all quotations, handle all approval as well, because admin is a super user of this site, so admin can do anything in this site. Okay, and also in a activity, in an audit, everything is audited. You can see user logout, user login, quotation shortlisted, approval request, everything is not there. You can see now time is 8:46, 8:38, all things we done, all audited perfectly. Okay. Notification. This is a report page. Admin can see report. Invoices. Admin can also download invoices like this. You can see. So this is basically a wall vendor bridge application.